they clubbing, they chilling, they...
It's okay. It's okay.
Dorothy, you have to thank Jimmy for me. Yes, thank him for me so much.
Oh, Jimmy, thank you very much, okay? Thank you very much.
And
you're welcome.
Jimmy, how did you get to know my wife?
Was sick, eh? Don't talk too much. I'll explain to you later. Okay? Jimmy, let me see.
I'd like to meet you.
Right now. Oh, okay. Then you take this for transport, okay?
Yeah,
Jimmy.
thank you very much.
May God bless you, okay?
Right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Honorable Johnson. I'll come by and visit.
Okay, Jimmy.
Okay, don't force yourself.
He's such a good boy. He's such a good boy.
Let me help you rest a bit.
In fact, wait.
What did you
You know what? Wait, no, let me tell you about those amnobes.
Honey, rest a bit, please, please. You are not in a good condition to do that. They nearly killed you. Jesus Christ. God punished them. Hey, are we safe? Everywhere armed robbers. Everywhere armed robbers. Eh? In spite of all the efforts of these policemen, I just don't understand.
I'll tell you about it later.
What? Well, I have brought your girl.
Charlotte, come. How are you? Good.
All right, I'll leave her now.
Okay, Mr. Mensah. Girls, come, Charlotte. You meet Charlotte. Charlotte, this is Gloria. This is Nana. See, her father brought her so we can do a complete makeover on her. Yeah. Big time. So we have a job on our hands.
This is my work. Leave it for me.
Oh! Charlotte, meet. Yes, come with me. Meet me.
How are you? Charlotte. I think she's a nice girl. But we need to work on her. Can you turn around? Just turn around. can. Wait. Ooh, it's hard somehow. And let me see. Hey, what's that? Just try it up there. Let me see. Take it easy, okay? We need to work on. Girls, we have a lot of work to do. And has she got a gas?
Oh, she'll manage.
Charlotte, do you have a boyfriend?
Oh my God.
And who is he? Paparazzi.
My goodness. Popsy, wow. Interesting.
How many boyfriends do you have?
My sister, one. I've not even accepted his proposal yet.
Yet. So, you mean you intend to accept later?
So, have you slept with him already?
No. But have you done the thing before, you know?
No. Hey!
Do you mean you're a virgin?
Hey, a virgin in this era?
Wait. How old are you?
23.
Abomination.
This is Abrewa virgin.
Abrevage. Oh my God, this is serious.
This girl has caused an abomination in the nation. No, she has to be the virgin today.
Yes. Now. Whoa! Oh. Come, let me look at your breast if you're really a virgin.
Don't be afraid, come on, come on.
Calm down. Push your little. No problem.
It's sexy. Good. So, hey.
Come on, relax, okay? It's
Raise your hand.
Raise it. Let me see. No, you want to shape you right?
This girl. She's really a virgin.
Hey! Paparazzi is enjoying it.
What is this?
Better breast. I want to be breast. Charlotte.
Come on, relax.
Easy.
Go get the drink, yeah?
Oh, come on, let me finish my job, eh? Come on. This.
Let's see your kiss.
Kiss. Let me see. Kiss. Kiss me. Give me a face. Do it. Do it to me. No, this thing is too stiff. Be romantic, okay?
Relax,
Flexible,
baby.
Alright?
Come on, girls, it's okay, come on. Take it easy on her.
This is the first round, never mind. The second round.
Better face for her to do later.
Oh, baby, Charlotte.
Relax, okay? Don't mind them, man. Don't mind them. You.
I've not seen Dito for some time now. Has he traveled?
I get sick when I hear that name. Dito is history now.
But what happened?
I have had enough of his nonsense. And I don't want him in my life again.
Yes, Amma. Tell me,
Who is this man that has been coming around? He has proposed to me. Wow. But I don't want to get myself into any relationship immediately. Why? He looks responsible. What is your problem? Look here, Ivy. You better make up your mind. For once! Amma, look at the way Dito treated me. Ivy. Afterwards, I have vowed never to get myself involved with any man. At least, not for now.
Sometimes, the way you talk even baffles me.
Huh? Adai? It is a sofa who ba. What is your man? Hey! Let me tell you something. Look here. Let me tell you something. We use pain to kill pain. Huh? And it will take a man to kill pain caused by another man. Think about it. All right. I'll think about it. You better do.
When did you say your husband is coming?
Not until Friday. And today is Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Okay, so we have enough time.
Which means?
Which means you are going to stay here again tonight. And you?
I will.
Thank you. So much.
And when is your daughter coming to you?
She's coming with her father.
Oh. That means I have the whole house to myself.
And you have a lot to do as well. Oh, Jimmy, love you. Jimmy, love you. Oh, you're so sweet, Jimmy. So sweet. husband's car.
Sounds like your husband's car. But you said he's coming on Friday. Excuse me.
Dorothy, where could your mother be?
There she is.
Oh, Jimmy.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing, my dear? Jimmy. Oh, what is Jimmy doing here?
Just leaving once we heard your home.
Really? Oh, Jimmy. It shows how good a friend you are. That's great.
Yes, sir.
It's good you came visiting us, huh?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Jimmy, have you met our daughter?
No.
Oh, Nora. Jimmy, Nora.
I've heard a lot about you.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for saving my old man the other time.
Okay. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Let's get inside.
Mommy.
Really missed you. Studies everything. Looks like so. Wow. Let me see. Let me
Jimmy, I have some bags at the back of the pickup. Okay, could you please pick them up for me?
All right.
Yes.
Just taking a trip to Onoyard to come and sight.
For what?
Let's get on. I just want to chat with you about something.
What is it about?
It's about our friend, Ivy. Not long ago, we had a little misunderstanding with her. And because of that, she don't want to sight me again.
So, what do you want me to do?
The one I want to go and plead on my behalf.
What did you say? Look here, Dito. Listen to me. You want me to go and plead on your behalf? I'm afraid I can't. I can't. Okay? You have to go and solve your own problem.
All right.
Titi, I'm sorry, okay? Don't mind that nasty.
Okojo, why did you get the sheep? Who gave it to you? Okojo, we can organize a party. Okojo, where did you get the sheep from? Are we coming to make a party? Oh, Okojo, you don't give me an answer.
Oh, I have to answer every question you ask.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.
Bravo yen to boisier. Tidia wo ye bia no nya botre. Kokosa jifa wodi me panyin tre. Ade wo ho be da no hwe wo bi ho abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso ginya me de se bi bia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi kome kokodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo pante ade. Ye de se wo gina ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no be che wo krachi. Baba so kra man wo so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter.